Hi, today I'm going to show you how you can disable dark mode on your YouTube app. So I'm already in my YouTube app here. If you want to disable dark mode, you just have to go to this section down here on you. And then on this section up here, you want to go to the gear icon here, right? So the gear icon. And then from the gear icon, you want to go to the general icon here, right? So tap on that. And then on this, tap this button here on appearance. On appearance right now, it says use device theme, right? Because my device theme is on default dark mode, right? So if I want to change it to light or disable dark mode for that sense, just click on this light theme. And then now you can see now our YouTube app is light theme. Now you can see if I scroll everywhere here, it's light themed like this, right? If you want to change it back to dark mode, go to the same step, appearance, and then either dark theme or your device theme, just like that. If you like this video, please consider liking and subscribing.